In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make Instagram carousels with Gemini AI. So the first thing that you want to do is go to gemini.google.com, and then you can see they've kind of changed it. If you click on this plus arrow, you can scroll down and you want to click on canvas. So click onto canvas and then I'll click on not now. And then what I'm going to type in is create me 5 Instagram carousels about travel. Okay, you want to put some prompt in there like that, or whatever your slides or carousels are going to be about, and then just click on submit. And now it's going to create me 5 Instagram carousels about travel. So now you can see it says I've generated 5 distinct Instagram carousel templates tailored for travel creators, and that's all you need to do.